Welcome! In this video I'm going to show you the analytics feature of EZ360. With analytics you can view statistics about your content and your VR headsets. In the dashboard, go to the Analytics tab. For this video I'm using our demo account, which has 3 videos and 460 devices connected. So if we take a look at the tropical video, for example, it has a view count of 268. The average time it was played was 20 seconds, and the last time it was played was today at 12:17. Now this is the local timestamp of that particular VR headset, because where I'm recording it's not 12:17 yet, so this must be somewhere in Asia or Australia. Create your EZ360 account today. We have different plans, including a free plan, and if you have custom needs, please reach out to us. Thank you for watching.